mommies, daddies, kids?
For me, they're mostly naturalista moms and dads, and they're so happy to have you for this afternoon. Kasi
Thank you.
alam namin na you're super hands-on with your kids, and do they like eating vegetables?
Yes, but not all.
Have a seat first. Upo tayo.
Not all vegetables. Hindi.
Ano favorite nilang vegetables?
And recently, di ba you like spinach?
Yeah, so siya yung mga favorite ng vegetables, broccoli and spinach.
How about you, Mami?
Same as her, like broccoli, spinach, lettuce. Yeah. I'm just wondering, Nina, because it's the usual problem of parents to feed their kids vegetables.
Yes.
Most especially during their much younger years. Sila ba since baby pa sila, mag-eat na sila ng
Since
vegetables?
baby, as in months old, yung mga ganyan, yung pwede nang kumain. So, yung usually mga mashed upo, di ba, yung mga ganyan, or mga papaya, and then you just mix it with rice. So, at an early age, ganun na kagad talaga yung pinapakain ko. And siguro it's really important, kasi ako lumaki ako ng kumakain talaga ng vegetables eh. Kasi in our family, bawal talagang hindi kumain ng gulay. So, kahit na ayaw mo, kailangan. Partner, let's say, kunwari have pork chop and gulay. Kahit isang gulay lang. Di ba, yung mga
Balance, pwede mag-pork chop, pero
diba?
may gulay.
Pero may gulay, yung gano'n.
Ganyan ka kaganda kasi nagugulay ka.
Thank you naman. Tapos ngayon na lumaki na ako, hindi na ako makakain ng walang gulay. So yun yung tinuturo ko sa kanila. Kailangan balanced diet talaga eh.
You personally, Carmina, what's your favorite gulay?
Ay naku lahat. I will except okra. Except okra. But I eat all. I eat everything. Ang dami kong gusto. Lahat nila gusto.
The beauty here is that you didn't have to force vegetables on your
Oh,
meals.
yes.
Natural na kinakain.
But it's not easy. It's not easy. You just have to constantly remind them na it's good for you, na it's healthy. And siguro importante na siguro yung pagkakaluto. Diba? Not all will like ampalaya. So kailangan medyo tanggalin mo ng konti yung pait niya, yung mga ganyan, tapos lagyan mo ng eggs or something. So minsan kahit ayaw, diba? No, you have to try it. Yan ang mga mommies, mga techniques, pati mga daddies, diba? Parang you have to try this, you try this. Ito usually sabihin ng mga bata, no. Before you say no, you taste it first.